how annoying is this, right? This came from the bottom of my bag. It just got completely crumbled. Hey guys, it's Jen. I'm a test prep tutor, and on my channel, I make a lot of videos about test taking strategies as well as study tips. But sometimes I'll also review educational tools. These are products that will really up your study and productivity game. I especially like products that take tried and true learning tools into the modern era. So in the past, I've made videos on smart notebooks. These are notebooks that are reusable and allow you to digitize the content very easily. And you guys seem to love those. Today, we are exploring the wonderful world of flashcards. Specifically, I want to talk about physical versus digital flashcards. We'll talk about the pros and cons of each. And then I want to share a product with you that has some neat features that, at least to me, makes it a bit of a game changer. So if you're excited about this content, give the video a like. While you're here, why don't you also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell? I really appreciate your support. All right, guys, let's talk about flashcards. I really like these because it's been scientifically proven to be a super effective study tool. It uses a principle called active recall, which forces you to work really hard to retrieve information you've learned in the past. And in doing so, it strengthens neural pathways that help you retain information longer. And I want to talk to you first about physical flashcards. These are the ones that I grew up with. You're probably familiar with them. 3x5, 4x6 index cards. And the biggest pro with these is the level of engagement required in the making of the card. So when you physically take your pen to the note card, that brain-to-hand connection really helps to reinforce the information and helps it stay in your memory for longer. Having a physical card also allows you to create richer cards because it's a little bit easier to draw or to, say, write a math formula, right, physically versus on the computer. Now, the cons to physical cards come in the form of portability and convenience. So if you take these on the go, you might risk losing them, or how annoying is this, right? This came from the bottom of my bag. It just got completely crumbled. And if it's, like this, you can at least study it. But if you lose it, then all that work you put into creating it is going to be wasted. So that could be a pretty big con for some of you out there. Now let's talk about the digital flashcards. There are a bunch out there. Some popular ones are Anki and Quizlet, and these allow you to share flashcards with other people quite easily. The biggest pro here is definitely convenience. You can make a card, you can share, you can use other people's flashcards. It's quick and easy. You can also drill through them by quizzing yourself, and a lot of these platforms will have a quiz mode that actually gives you the percentage you got correct, and it helps you track your results more easily. Now, sometimes a pro can also be a con. The convenience factor, I would say, is actually more of a con because the easier it is to make a card, the less engagement it takes, and that struggle is what really helps you retain that information. Also, with digital cards, it's a little bit tougher to make super rich, substantial cards because it's harder to incorporate pictures or formulas into the card. So now you know some of the pros and cons with the physical and digital flashcards. Wouldn't it be cool if we had a product that married the two? Well, that's where Hamelin comes into play. So Hamelin is a French paper company, and they create really high quality notebooks as well as these flashcards that they launched this year. So this is super cool because it's a physical product, as you can see. You can write on it front and back just like you would a normal index card. And then they have these symbols on each of the corners, and you can use their app called the Scribzee App. Take a picture of the card, and it automatically digitizes the flashcard and turns them into a digital product. So if you're on the go, you don't have to take these physical cards with you. You can just take your phone and use the app. They have a quiz mode, so you can quiz yourself, and it'll show you what percentage of the cards that you are getting correct. So because this is a relatively new product, I want to compare it to a very familiar product so you guys can hear some of the similarities and differences. So I'm going to start with thickness. A normal 3x5 index card is quite flimsy. I would say this card, the Hamelin card, is about 2 times the thickness. It's quite thick. It's like a thin cardstock material. And then next, the texture. So the Hamelin cards are definitely a lot smoother in texture. When I write on it, I find that the ink flows really nicely. And that's not surprising because Hamelin is really known for their paper. They actually have a patented paper technology. I believe it's called their optic paper. So when it comes to paper, Hamelin knows what's up. So this has a really nice high quality feel to it. Okay, I know you guys all want to know about this one, the cost. Yes, the Hamelin is definitely going to be a premium flashcard product. It's going to be quite a bit more expensive. So for this, I went on Amazon and I pulled up one of their best-selling flashcards. And that one kind of came out to be about 3 cents per card. The Hamelin, I did the math. If you don't include any discounts with their regular price, it's going to be about 7.5 cents per card. So just over double the amount. But right now they're running a buy 2 get 1 free promotion, and I'll also have a discount link in the description below. So definitely going to be quite a bit of a saving for you. And then lastly, I just want to talk about the app. Of course, with normal flashcards, you're not going to have an app option, but with the Hamelin, they have their own app called the Scribzee App. And again, this is where you can snap pictures front and back of your flashcard and it will digitize them for you. What's really neat about Hamelin is their cards come in, see this border? They come in 12 different colors and 2 different sizes, the 3x5 and 4x6, pretty standard. The 12 colors are really convenient because in their app, you can actually categorize based on these colors. So the app will recognize that blue is its own category. You can rename it English, and then it'll recognize yellow as its own category. You can call that math. You can also categorize these yourself so you don't have to be limited by the colors either. Within the app, there's also a really cool quiz feature where you can drill through the cards within a category. You'll swipe right if you got it right. If you swipe left, it means you didn't know it. And at the end, they'll tell you a percentage, and you can just continue to drill the cards until you get a really good handle on them. So yeah, guys, I really like this product, so I couldn't wait to share it with you. If you're a student and you enjoy using flashcards, then I hope you'll give this a try. If you do, please leave a comment and let me know how you enjoy it. If you like this video, give it a like and share it with your friends. Stick around and watch some of my other videos. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!